Hi, I'm Sarah from UQuiz Games. Today I'm going to show you how to create an animated cartoon image of yourself to use in our quizzes. There are 3 images that can be used in our games. They are the main image, the right answer image, and the wrong answer image. There are tons of apps that make cartoon images of your face, but I recommend ToonArt, Cartoon Yourself. It's available on both Android and iPhone. Once you have your cartoon images, it's time to remove the background of each image. To do that, head over to remove.bg. Out of my 6 cartoon images, I'll use these 3 for my main animation. They are a smiling straight head, smiling left head tilt, and smiling right head tilt. I will then use the other 3 images for my right answer and wrong answer animations. So for now, I'll go ahead and remove the background from all images. From here, I insert the cartoon images with transparent background into my UQuiz Games FaceMaker. Using one image, I resize it to fit in the grid box. I then select all other images and resize them to the same size as the first image. The next step is to crop my first image to the red border of the grid box. And then I can save the image as a PNG file. Now that my left head tilt image is complete, I will begin working on my smiling straight head image. I begin by double-clicking the image, and in the picture format ribbon, I click selection pane. I then click and drag the image to the top of the list, which means it will appear on top of all other objects. Then I drag the image to the grid box and place it over the first image I edited earlier. In the selection pane, I click the Show a Hide button a few times to check for correct alignment with my first image. I'm happy that it's aligned with the first image, so I proceed to crop the new image to the red border of the grid box. Then I save this image as a PNG file. I follow the same editing process with the right head tilt image. Now that the 3 images of my main animation are complete, I head over to ezgif.com. Click on GIFmaker at top left, then click the Choose Files button. Select and upload the 3 images we have just edited and saved. To make my animation repeat smoothly, I will make a copy of my smiling straight head image and move it to the last frame so that my frames progress from left head tilt to straight head to right head tilt to straight head. I then select the checkbox next to Don't Stack Frames, and then click Make a GIF. The created GIF appears below, and I right-click to save it. Now head back to the UQuiz Games FaceMaker and run in presentation mode, then click the Insert Face button and select the GIF file you just created. You'll see the animated image replace the clown faces in all of our characters. For the wrong answer animated cartoon, I recommend using the smiling straight head image from earlier and a big laugh straight head image as shown here. In the UQuiz Games FaceMaker, I move my big laugh straight head image over the smiling straight head image in the grid box. I rotate the big laugh image to the left by clicking the rotate icon on top of the image and dragging left. I then click Show Hide a couple of times to check for alignment with the smiling image underneath. Because the big laugh image has been rotated, I then copy and paste it as a picture so it can be cropped. I drag the copied picture of the big laugh image over the rotated big laugh image and check alignment. Then I crop it to the red border of the grid box. Then head back to ezgif.com to make your wrong answer animation using these images. To create an animated cartoon for right answer, I recommend a slightly grumpy image and very grumpy image as shown here. Once again, in the UQuiz Games FaceMaker, edit and crop your slightly grumpy and very grumpy images to your liking, then save them as PNG files. Once your images are ready, head back to ezgif.com to upload the images and create your right answer animation. This is how our game will look when we upload our main animation, right answer animation, and wrong answer animation. If you have any questions, please send us an email and we'll be happy to help you.